The titanium germanium bracelets has so many benefits to the human body. The human cells are intelligence which knows what it needs at the right time. When you're looking at this bracelet, it is a 4-in-1. Therefore means it has 4 different elements within it which will benefit the human body as well as the human blood. When we look at the actual bracelet, we find first and foremost that the bracelet is a tool which is to be used where your wrist is. Now, even though the heart is the most important organ in the body to keep it alive, the pulse is where the energy is stemmed from. So wearing a bracelet is much more beneficial than wearing a pendant. Looking a bit deeper, we're gonna first identify that the magnets are located right here. The 2 circles that you see are magnets. Magnets are said to help with arthritis pains, sprains, back problems, sports injuries, muscular pains, joint inflames, and plus many more. Now, when wearing the titanium germanium bracelet, the blood, the old blood, will be pulled to a certain area, and new blood will be forced to go to the area where the magnet is located. Far infrared has the capacity to heat the body, so the heat is ever so slight with the far infrared. The far infrared is the red circle, as you can see. Those circles will then stimulate right next to the magnet, which will then enhance old blood to be removed and new blood to be composed, followed by the magnet. The negative ion, which is, as you can see right here, is actually founded in nature. By the mountains, there's an abundance of negative ions. After a volcanic eruption, there's also a huge amount of negative ions. Negative ions are also founded by the ocean, by the beach, by the seaside, when you feel relaxed. Have you ever noticed that after going to the seaside, your mind feels different? You feel more at peace, more rejuvenated. So, walking by nature, stepping by a waterfall, all produces negative ions. Negative ions are scientifically proven to generate this feeling. Now, positive ions are the opposites of negative ions. Now, positive ions are found in the office, nearby computers, laptops, microwaves. All of these electrical devices which are harmful to the human body, they are said to produce positive ions. Germanium is especially effective in protecting the human body from invisible radiation. So these devices that we find through computers, laptops, monitors, microwaves, electricity in certain forms produce, as we said before, a lot of positive ions, and the germanium is actually the power tool that helps the stimulation of this bracelet.